Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Tella Login problems in 2026. Yeah, if you're stuck on the login screen getting errors or unable to access your account, don't worry. This guide will walk you through simple fixes because, honestly, most login issues are quick to solve once you know what to check. So first, double check your login details. Make sure your email and password are entered correctly and watch out for caps lock or small typos because even a tiny mistake can stop you from signing in. Next, reset your password if needed. Yeah? Click on Forgot Password, follow the reset steps, and create a new secure password, which often fixes login problems instantly. After that, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can block login requests, so try reconnecting your Wi-Fi or switching to another network for better stability. Also, clear your browser cache and cookies. Yeah, old stored data can cause conflicts with login sessions, so clearing it helps you start fresh and often resolves the issue. And yeah, try logging in from a different browser or device. So sometimes the issue is browser specific, and switching to another option like Chrome or Edge can fix it quickly. Finally, make sure Tella is updated and not facing server issues. Most of the time, following these steps will fix login problems and get you back into your account smoothly without any hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.